In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags in Notion. If you're looking to organize your Notion space more efficiently and categorize information seamlessly, this guide is perfect for you. Let's get started. First, open the Notion page where you want to work. If you're already using Notion, you'll know that everything begins with a page. Once there, decide whether you want to add tags to a new database or an existing one. Both options are simple. However, if you're new to databases in Notion, starting with a new one might make things easier to manage. Next, once your database is open and ready, look at the column headers. You'll see a little plus icon. This is your gateway to adding new properties to your database. Click on this plus icon to insert a new column. This new column will serve as a container for your tags, allowing you to personalize it according to your needs. Now that you have your new column, it's time to define its purpose. Click the header of the new column to reveal a drop-down menu. From here, change the property type to multi-select. This property type lets you add multiple tags to a single entry. This flexibility is one of the reasons why tags are so powerful in Notion. They let you categorize entries with ease. After setting the property type, it's time to rename your column. This is a very straightforward step. Simply click the header again and change the name to Tags, or whatever suits your organizational style. Naming the column appropriately will give you an at-a-glance understanding of the information contained within it. With your Tags column in place, click inside any cell within it. This action will open up a menu where you can start typing the name of your tag. Once you've typed the desired tag name, simply press Enter, and voila, your tag is created. This process can be repeated for as many tags as you need, helping you segregate and categorize your data efficiently. If you've previously created tags and want to use them again, no worries. Click inside the cell once more and you'll see a list of existing tags. Simply select the tag you want to apply from the list. This method is convenient and saves time when working with recurring categories. And there you have it. These simple steps will help you incorporate tags into your Notion databases, enhancing your ability to organize information in a clear and systematic way. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide helps you take your Notion game to the next level. Remember, organization is key to productivity. Until next time, keep organizing.